is Math Unmasked for Unit 7, Lesson 13. So we're still working with coordinate grids, and as I've reminded you so many days in a row now, when we've got an ordered pair, we've got an x coordinate, which tells us which way to go on our x-axis, the horizontal number line that makes up the ordered pair, and the y-axis, the vertical number line that's on that coordinate grid. So here we've got our x-axis right here, and we've got our y-axis right here. Okay, so today one of the things we talked about was interpreting what is happening on a graph, right? So this graph is showing bank accounts in dollars, right? And so I can see that like right here, okay, and right here, that these days, because D represents the day, this is when they had a lot of money in their account because this is the highest dollars that they have. Right down here, I can see that there were two different days on this graph, that these dots went below the zero on the y-axis, that it went lower, that they actually had an overdraft is what that's called in a bank. They owed the bank money. They took out more than they actually had, right? So I can see, like if I was gonna write a story about this, they might have gotten paid on this day, they had some expenses, they spent a lot, they had to put some money back in, they spent a lot, they had to put some back money in, and then maybe they got paid again over here, right? One of the things that we noticed as we were working on this unit is we noticed that there are some patterns we can make sense of in the quadrants. So this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. If I'm graphing in all 4 quadrants, which we do in 6th grade, I know that to be over here, I need to be moving to the right on the x-axis and up on the y-axis, so both my numbers are positive. Over here, I'm moving to the left of 0, so my x-coordinate is negative, but I'm still going above 0, so my y-quadrant is positive. Down here, I am going below 0 on my x and below 0 on my y, so this is a negative number and a negative number. And over here, this quadrant, I'm moving to the right, so that's a positive x, but I'm moving down, so that's a negative y. So everything here, anything in this quadrant is a positive, positive. Anything here is a negative, positive. Anything here is a negative, negative. Anything here is a positive, negative. On your homework tonight, as you're graphing, this is a useful thing to think about as you check those ordered pairs, those x, y. And as always, please make sure you check your order. Good luck on your homework.